Welcome to my channel. This is question number 4 of this textbook. Okay, uh, given that the area of this sector is 7 times, you have to find the angle theta. Okay, remember, how do we find the area of a sector? We have talked about this formula before. Area of a sector. And what's a sector mean? Sector is the part of a circle, right? And this is equal to half theta into r squared, right? So if this angle is theta, right, then this smaller area, okay, or what are they calling it? Yes, minor sector and major sector. So area of this minor sector, is this one, uh, this one. Okay. Uh, okay. So this area would be half into theta into r square. Okay, we do not know the value of r, we do not know the value of theta. Okay, what about the major sector? Area of major sector. So here the angle is 2 pi minus theta. Is it correct or no? Because now I'm talking about this angle, right? So total angle is 2 pi. From 2 pi we subtract theta. So it will be 2 pi minus theta and times r square, right? Just the major sector. Now we are given that the area of the major sector is 7 times larger than the minor sector. So if I multiply the 7 with 1 by 2 theta r square, this one, right? I will get this one, which is 1 by 2 pi minus theta into r square. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Now I can cancel this half and I can cancel this r square from both sides. So I am left with 7 theta is equal to 2 pi minus theta. So theta goes here with 8 theta is equal to 2 pi. So theta is equal to 2 pi by 8. So this is pi by 4, which means 45 degree. It makes sense as well, because you see, if in the entire circle, if I divide it in 4 parts and in 8 parts, right? So this area is 1/8 of this whole circle or 1/7 of this portion, right? So the area of this portion is 1/7, or the 7 times of this area will give you the total area, the rest of the area. Okay, so yeah, this makes sense. This angle is 45 degree. Okay, so we are done with part 1. Second part is given also that the perimeter of the minor sector is 20. Show that the value of r is this. Okay, so the perimeter of the minor sector is 20. So how can we calculate the perimeter of minor area? Um, perimeter. Okay, so this perimeter is, you can see it has 3 sections. One is this is straight line, one is this is straight line, and the other one is this curved line, right? So it is r plus r theta, right? So this whole thing is given as 20 centimeter, right? So we have to solve this equation and find the value of r. So you can see it is going to be 2r plus r theta. Theta is 40 pi by 4. So r into pi by 4 is equal to 20. I can take r common and it will become 8 plus pi over 4 equals 20. So r is equal to 80 divided by 8 plus pi. Okay, 80 over 8 plus pi. And this comes out to be 7.18 centimeter. Okay, so this is our part 2. Now the third part is using the value of r and theta from part 1 and 2, find the perimeter or the shaded region. Okay, let me make some space, clear up all these things so that we can do some more work here. Okay, so this is part 2, this is part 1, and now I'm trying to do part 3 here. Okay, so using the value of this, find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so this shaded region consists of two straight lines. One is AC, then BC, and the third one is the curved one, right? Okay, I didn't draw the curved one. Think about this triangle. I'm talking about triangle OAC. OAC. This is a right angle triangle, right? Why? Because this angle is 90 degree. You know, the tangent line is perpendicular to the radius. So this is 90 degree. Okay. R is known. I want to find out the value of AC. Okay. And this angle is half of 45. So this is 22.5 degree. Okay. Tell me what is tangent of 22.5 degree or this particular angle. Okay. It is AC over OA, right? So from here you can see that AC distance is equal to OA. OA is the radius R into tangent of 22.5 degree, and R is 7.18. When I plug in 7.18 and tangent 22.5 degree, what do I get? Yes, I get 2.974. 2.974 centimeter. Okay, now I'm ready to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So this perimeter is AC plus BB plus BA. This is a straight line, this is a straight line, and this is this part of the circle. Okay, AC we just calculated 2.974 plus CB is also 2.974 plus BA, the curve is, you know the formula S is equal to R theta. So the arc length is R into theta. Okay, and R is 7.18 and theta is 22.5, sorry, 45 degrees, so pi by 4. So pi by 4. And if we do all this calculation, parameter comes out to be 11.58 centimeter. Let me confirm it again right now. Okay, it is 2 times 2.974 plus 7.18 into pi by 4, pi divided by 4. So yes, 11.58. 587 I am getting, but I don't find it. Okay. Now, next thing is part 4, the last one. And what is it? Find the area of the shaded region. Okay. Let me make room again, clear everything here. Okay. So What is now? I want to find the area of this shaded region. Okay, how can I find this area? Again, I will try to find the area of this triangle first. Okay, triangle. I'm talking about the triangle OAC. Now, as I said before, this is a right angle triangle, right? This angle is 90 degree. Okay, so this area is half into base. Base is R, and let me call the base as OA, and then height is AC. Okay, so the area of triangle OAC is this one, and this is equal to what? Half, and OA is the radius R. We found it as 7.18, and AC I found as 2.974. Okay, so this is the area of this triangle. Okay, and if I want to find the area of this whole quadrilateral, right? OACB, it will be twice of this area. So for this quadrilateral OACB, this is twice of this, so it will be 7.18 into 2.974. Okay, so the area of the shaded region, or let me do this thing first. Uh, what the area of this sector? Area of sector OAP, right? So this area is, as I said before, area is half theta r squared. So half theta is pi by 4, okay, and r squared. R is 7.18, and it's squared. Okay, so you can see that the area of shaded region, this is equal to the area of the quadrilateral OACB, which is 7.18 times 2.974. And from this area, if I subtract the area of this sector, which is pi by 8 into 7.18 square. So when we solve all this thing, the area comes out to be 1.1092 centimeters square. Okay, so this is how we solve question number 4. Hope you like it, you enjoy it. Uh, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next slide, next clip, next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.